You're taking it? Oh! Yeah? What else do you have to say? Boy, you're posing quite well, aren't you? Yeah. What should we talk about, huh? Let's talk about something. Oh. You're working very hard. It's okay. I know. Stuffy nose. Good job with the head. Good job with the head.
Look at the holding up
Look
the head.
Look at that. And slowly.
And we're down.
But we didn't flop back down. Good job. What is that black thing in your face, huh?